Okay. A quadrilateral with exactly one pair of parallel sides is a trapezoid. Okay, the parallel sides of a trapezoid are called bases, and the non-parallel side of the trapezoids are called legs. Okay, the pair of angles formed by the base and the leg are base angles. Yes, isosceles trapezoid has congruent sides. And if you take a segment and you join the midpoints of the legs, that's a median. Everybody have this? Okay, so looking at the pictures, these are the parallel sides, that's why those are the bases. These are the legs. These would be the base angles here. And then this line across here would be a median because it cuts the legs into congruent segments. And the median is also parallel to the bases. This line in the middle, that's the median. No, it's always going to be horizontal because it's going to be between the two bases. And it's parallel to the bases, and it cuts the sides, the legs of the trapezoid in half. Okay, so the base angles in a trapezoid that's an isosceles trapezoid are congruent, the same as an isosceles triangle. The diagonals of an isosceles trapezoid are congruent. So if you took an isosceles trapezoid here and you drew diagonals, they would be congruent to each other. And then the median here is parallel to the two bases, and then this is a formula for the length of the median. Any questions on that? So LMNO is a trapezoid with the median is PQ. So we need to find the length of the median. Well, to do that, that's 1/2 of the sum of the bases, see? So if oh no, sorry, we're not even doing that. We're doing LM, that's 8, right? So this whole thing is 8. So what's this part of it? 4. So no, that was I was reading it wrong, and I was thinking we were talking about the length of the median. But we were just talking about the midpoint of the leg, basically. P is a midpoint of this leg, Q is a midpoint of that leg. Everybody got that? All right, here we go. If BC, so this whole length here is 34, FC, Well, this is an isosceles trapezoid. So if ADC is 59, then BCD is 59 because it's isosceles. Okay, here I have AB is 16 and then DC is 24, and I want to find the length of the median. That's where we use that formula. So it's 1/2 of the sum of the bases. So it's 1/2. Oops, I'm writing this in totally the wrong spot. Okay, that's way too big. Right here, 1/2 of the sum of the bases. So it's 1/2 of 40, so that's 20. And then if DAB is 109, how much is DEF?
72?
Not 72. I don't think. Hold on. 109, 109. Those are both 109, right? So trapezoid has 360 total angle. So that's 360 minus 218, which is 142, and that's both angle E here and angle F here is 142, so then I divide that by 2. So it's 71 degrees, which we would have gotten had we just subtracted from 180. So 2 ways to do this: using the whole trapezoid or using the adjacent angles adding up to 180. Now, of course, that's adjacent here. That wouldn't work, obviously, here. These don't add up to 180. And these don't add up to 180. Does that make sense? So these two angles would add up to 180, but not these two. Just on the legs. Now what you have on a trapezoid, does everybody have this? Yes? No?